Think I'm real? Got you! I'm Wonders Craft, and this is my AI twin. Isn't this amazing? Get ready with me as I take you through Lady B's night vlog routine. I love to pause, breathe, and thank God for strength. Every little win today was grace. Self-care isn't vanity, it's gratitude. Taking care of myself reminds me I'm God's masterpiece. Ah, this is perfect. Ah, that's better. I love creating peace around me, soft lights and calm music. Before I sleep, I always spend a few minutes with God just reflecting. That's how I recharge my spirit.
Time to rest.
Peace isn't in a perfect day, it's in trusting the one who holds tomorrow. Good night, loves. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wonders Craft, and this is my AI twin. If you're ready to take your creativity to the next level, don't skip any part of this video. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's begin your AI journey together.
I'm sure you enjoyed that. So first off, we are going to start with ChatGPT. If you don't have that, download it in your Play Store. So I'm going to type in daily vlog ideas, and then this is what ChatGPT gave me. I'm going to choose any of these and work with. So for today, I'm going to work with night routine vlog. So my second prompt says, using number 2 vlog, please create picture prompts in voiceover for each scene. And ChatGPT created that as well. My first prompt reads as a beautiful African woman sitting at her desk, finishing work on a laptop, soft golden evening light filters through the window, a tidy workspace with candles and a cup of tea nearby. Camera focus on her calm expression. So I'm going to copy this and take it to an image generating app. I'm going to select text and then copy it, highlight it and copy, and then I'll minimize this, go to my Chrome browser and type in Google AI Studio. You can use this to generate your images, hyper realistic images, or you can use Gemini. So I'm going to quickly show you how to use this one. Okay, you click on your Chrome browser, you type in Google AI Studio, and then it will open up. You click on Google AI Studio. You'll see other options, but look for Google AI Studio and click on. When you click on Google AI Studio, it will take you to the interface where you're going to see try nano banana. So you click on try nano banana, and you will see where to paste your prompts. You go ahead and paste your prompts. When you paste your prompts, always write, if you are going to use your image, if you want to use yourself, always write, I'll use the uploaded image, keeping my face and my skin tone unchanged. Okay, as you can see, mine has generated. I'm going to tap on this picture, and then there will be an option to download. Okay, so to use Gemini and generate your photos, you click on Gemini. Before now, you must have had your image prompt that you're going to paste. When you click on Gemini, you'll be ask Gemini. This is where you're going to paste your prompt. Okay, whatever prompt. Let me find a prompt and copy. Okay, let me still use this African woman finishing work. Okay, no, okay. This is just it. Whatever prompt, okay, once you copy it, you paste and then you send, and it will generate the photo, the image for you. It's as simple as this. So this is just how to generate. So as you can see, it's the same image that has generated. Okay, so now that I am done creating all the images, this was the first, from second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. It will be time to head over to the app that I'm going to make these images talk. Step 1, open Grok app. Step 2, click on Imagine. Step 3, select the pictures you want to generate. I'm going to just select any picture. Okay, allow it to upload. I told you before, the app will start generating this automatically. You allow this to finish. Once they are done, you paste your own prompts, but I'm going to type in prompt here so that you understand what I mean. All right, so it is done generating. You can decide to save by clicking on this download icon. The next step is to bring it to picture. You click here on this picture icon here and click this arrow down and click on custom, and then you type in your prompt or you paste your prompt. Okay, I'm going to paste a prompt. A beautiful African woman in her early 30s changes into a soft satin pajamas, walking towards her neatly made and lit candle. The room glows with soft golden light. Okay, whatever. Before now, I'm going to type dialogue with motions. Okay, and I'm going to generate. So this is going to count up to 100 and the video will be generated.
This is perfect.
I use the same steps to generate other image to videos, and I'm just going to show you the results.
Down, I love to pause, breathe, and thank God for strength. Every little win today was great. Now,
So once we're done with that, is to head over to CapCut and select all the videos that you have made and add them together. Once you add them together, your block is ready. What I'm just going to do, just a little video editing here. I'm going to add transition to all the videos, and I'm going to increase the volume if it is low, and then some effects like the background music. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to add some effect like a lady laughing or an Bible opening, the pages of books opening, all those sound that you heard that sounded so professional, like everything was real, was added during video editing.
thanks for watching. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe to get notified when I upload new videos.